feel that mathematics is your thing? I mean, to be very cliche, when did you realize that you love mathematics?
Actually, I learned mathematics from my childhood. With mathematics, you don't wanted to cram that particular solution. There are
Right.
lot of solution to solve a particular problem, right? So that's the thing which I really liked about mathematics.
Yeah.
If you are like in Hindi subject, in science subject, you have given a question and you just have to answer that particular question in that particular way. But in mathematics, you can solve that particular problem in different solution with help of different formulas. So that's the thing I really liked about mathematics, that you don't have to cram that down.
Right.
कि ये वाला तो सिर्फ इसी से ही solve होगा.
Yeah. So in your 11th, 12th, did you not even like physics as well?
No, I had physics, but I really don't like physics and
Achha.
chemistry because we have to cram so much in the chemistry. That's
yeah, but
why.
Physics is a bit conceptual in nature because, till class 10, I really liked maths a lot. And I thought that maths is the only meaningful subject to study, and maybe biology also. But in 11th, 12th, I realized that physics is perhaps the more interesting subject. The reason was that maths of class 11, 12, to me was a bit difficult because I was preparing for the IIT entrances. If I take 10 questions, I was not even able to solve 3 or 4 questions out of those 10 questions. But in my class 10, till class 10, whichever question I used to pick, I used to solve them. And as you said, I used to solve every question in multiple methods. And I had like a stack of notebooks of solving so many questions till class 10. But when I entered class 11, I understood mathematics, but I was not able to solve a lot of problems. I used to feel that, okay, I can solve NCERT questions, but apart from that, I really do not have an edge in mathematics. But physics was something which is more like a story with maths. And that was more like me.
Like I can say that when I was in 11th and 12th, I was not aware about like maths in real life. So maybe that's why I didn't like physics that much. But now I can say like, maths is the core subject, like plays an important role in physics because you apply maths like differential equation, vectors in physics.
Yeah.
We can say that. Yeah.
And I feel that somebody who is interested to learn calculus, if they read physics thoroughly in their class 11, 12, they will understand calculus very nicely. Or else the subject calculus, if read on its own, it becomes too abstract.
But we can also say that when somebody from physics background, like teacher is teaching physics, they used to tell the maths part. But why maths teachers are not telling them like, beta, this is the real life example of calculus. Like you apply that calculus part in physics so that student can connect those two subjects, right? Like I came to know about these connections after doing my graduation. But if students learn those things from their school level, they clear all the concepts so easily.